Something else that we saw in this article was the use of multisyllabic words. That means they have more than one syllable. When we have multisyllabic words, they have division patterns that help you decode them in different ways. So one of the syllable division patterns that we saw in this article is VCCV. V stands for vowel and C stands for consonant. So this would be vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. If you have a word with the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel syllable division pattern, it will have two consonants between two vowels. If that happens, you split the consonants between the vowels to find the syllable. If it's a digraph like TH or an RL blend like CR, you keep those together and push them to one side or the other. So here are 4 example words. I've got the word fancy. Fancy, the N and the C are split, so you have fan, C as your 2 syllables. The word blanket, blan-ket, the N and the K are split to make 2 syllables, blan-ket. The word cactus, cac-tus, the C and the T are split to make cac-tus. And the word costume, cos-tume. This S and the T are split to make cos-tume. The next syllable division pattern we saw was vowel, consonant, vowel. If there is one letter between the 2 vowels, you move the letter to the right side of the word, and this leaves the first syllable open, like in the word bonus. If it's a word, you leave it. Sometimes you'll try it, like if we move the S in visit to the second syllable, it would say visit. That's not right. So then I can move it back to the first syllable to make visit. So here are some examples of a VCV syllable division pattern. The word relax. I move the L to the second syllable to make re-lax. The word nature. I move the T to the second syllable to make na-ture. With the word limit, I move the M to the second syllable to make limit. And with the word be-yond, I move the Y to the second syllable to make be-yond. Notice that most of these have the consonant moved to the second syllable. This is usually the case, so always try that way first. And only if it doesn't make a word, then move it back to the first syllable. The last syllable division pattern we saw in this article was vowel-vowel. This is if 2 vowels are next to each other, but they are not a pair, you split the vowels between the syllables. So like with the word lion, the I and the O are next to each other, but they're not a pair, so you split them up to make lie-un. So my first example word is the word cruel. The U and the E split to make cru-el. In museum, even though it's a 3-syllable word, you notice that the E and the U in the second and third syllable are split to make see-yum. So add the mu back in there, so mu-ze-um. In the word visual, again, a 3-syllable word, the U and the A are split to make vi-ju-wal. And in the last example word, casual, again, it's a 3-syllable word, but I split the U and the A to make ca-ju-wal. Sometimes within a multiple syllable word, you'll notice a couple of different syllable division patterns happening.